chapter. In this chapter, you have learned about a point and also about line, ray and line segment. Okay, today you will know about types of line. Today you will know about what types of line. So here you see that here we have written three types of line. Number one is parallel line. Number one, what we have written? Parallel line. Number two is intersecting line. And number three is perpendicular line. Okay. So in parallel line, what happened? When two lines is there, okay, they parallel to each other. Two lines are parallel to each other. Suppose you think that this one is one chalk and this is also chalk. This chalk and this chalk is parallel to each other. So what you will say this? It is parallel chalk or parallel line you can say. So in parallel line what happened? In parallel lines, this line do not meet even when extended infinitely. When it is extended infinitely, then also this two lines do not meet each other. Understood? This is a parallel line. What is parallel line? If you will draw this line, extend from both the sides, two lines, it will not meet each other. It will not meet each other. Understood? One line is this and another line is this. One line is AB and other line is XY. If you will extend this two line from both the sides till infinitely means long infinitely, you will extend this two line, then what happened to you? That it will not meet to each other. What will happen? It will not meet to each other. This line is known as what? Parallel line. Which type of line you will call this one? Parallel line. Understood? It is clear to you all about a parallel line. If you will extend this two line from both the sides, then also this two line will not meet to each other. If you will extend this two line from both the sides, then also this two line will not meet to each other. This two line, one line and one line. If you will extend this line, here it is also that side. This line also infinite, here also infinite. But it will not meet to each other. This type of line is known as what? Parallel line. Clear? Next one is intersecting line. What is that? Intersecting line. One line you are seeing AB here. AB, one line and one BL. Two line is there. And this two line is cutting at one point, that is O. Understood? This two line is cutting at one point, that is O. Okay? So this type of line is known as what? Intersecting line. So let's see what we have written here. These lines are what? These lines are formed when two lines cross each other at a point. These lines are what? Formed. These lines are formed when two lines cross each other at a point. This type of line is known as what? Intersecting line. This type of line is known as what? Intersecting line. each other at a point. This is the point. So this type of line is known as what? Intersecting line. Okay. Now next you see perpendicular line. Next one is what? Perpendicular line. In perpendicular line, what you are seeing in perpendicular line, this line are formed when intersecting line form 90-degree angle. One line here and one line here. It is intersecting line and it form a 90-degree angle. These lines are formed when intersecting lines form 90-degree angle at the point of intersection. At the point of intersection, this type of line is known as what? Intersecting line. This type of line is known as intersecting line. Okay, clear to you all? What you are seeing in third case, that one line AB and another line here OP. This is intersecting at a point O, these two lines, and it making a what? 90-degree angle. It makes a 90-degree angle. The measure of this angle is 90 degree. So this type of line is known as what? Perpendicular line. This type of line is known as perpendicular line. So today what you have learned? Today you have learned about types of line. Today you have learned about type of lines. These are the three types of lines. Once you see it, okay. So number one is what? Parallel line. Number two is intersecting line. And number third is perpendicular line. Number one is what? Parallel line. Number two, intersecting line. And number third, perpendicular line. In parallel line, what you are seeing that in parallel line that these lines do not meet even when extend from both the sides. This line they will never meet. If they will extend from both the sides, then also these two lines will not meet. Like this type of line is known as what? Parallel line. Understood? This type of line is known as parallel line. Next one, what you have seen? Intersecting line. In intersecting line, what you are seeing? These lines are formed when two lines cross each other at a point. When two lines cross each other at a point, this type of line is known as what? Intersecting line. What line you will say this type of line? Intersecting line. Okay, here it is. Next one is perpendicular line. Next, what you are seeing here? Perpendicular line. Okay. In perpendicular line, what you are seeing that one line is there AB and another line is PO. This line is intersecting each other, but it is making a 90-degree angle. It makes a 90-degree angle. So this type of line is known as perpendicular line. This type of line is known as what? Perpendicular line. These lines are formed when intersecting line form a 90-degree angle at the point of intersection. At the point of intersection, it makes a 90-degree angle. Like this line is known as what? Perpendicular line. This line is known as what? Perpendicular line. So it is clear to you all? Okay. So today you have learned what? Types of line. What are the three types of line? Parallel line, intersecting line and perpendicular line. Okay, today this much only. Next day again I will continue with other topic. Thank you to everyone.